In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into an Airtable base so you can get your data organized and working for you in just a few minutes. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to either open an existing base or create a new one. This is the workspace where your data will live. If you're starting fresh, just hit the Add a Base button, and you can name it whatever makes sense for your project. Now, inside your base, look for the Add or Import button. This is usually located at the bottom of the table list on the left. Click that, and you'll see an option to create a new table. Choose Import from CSV as your source. This tells Airtable exactly what kind of file you're bringing in. Next, click the Choose File button, which will open your computer's file manager. Locate the CSV file you want to use and select it. A quick tip here. Make sure your CSV is clean and organized before you start. Remove any extra spaces, check for consistent formatting, and use clear column headers. This will save you time and reduce errors later. After you've selected the file, Airtable will begin uploading and processing it. Depending on the file size, this might take just a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a preview of your imported fields and data. Take a moment to review what's come in. Look at the column headers and the sample rows. If anything looks off, like a column of numbers that should be dates, you can adjust the field types right there. Airtable is smart about guessing, but it's always worth double-checking that data types like currency, dates, or percentages are set correctly. When everything looks good, click the Import or Finish button to complete the process. Your new table will now appear in your base with all your CSV data mapped into clean, clickable cells. Finally, verify that all records were imported correctly by scanning a few rows. You can sort or filter the table to spot any anomalies. And just like that, you've successfully imported a CSV file into Airtable. Your data is now ready to be sorted, linked, and used in powerful ways. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!